everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Masterclass. I'm Leo.
And I'm Evelyn. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our community of English learners from all over the world.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner struggles with: confidence when speaking English.
Oh, yes. Even if your grammar is perfect, if you don't feel confident, you'll sound nervous, shy, or even forget your words.
So, Evelyn, let's start with this. Why do you think so many people lack confidence when speaking English?
Honestly, because they're afraid of making mistakes. I've met people who know English well, but the moment they talk to a native speaker, they freeze.
Yeah, like their mind just goes blank. But here's the truth. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Exactly. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Every time you speak, you get better. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Let's give them some tips. My first one, talk to yourself in English.
Yes, I do that all the time. When I'm cooking or walking, I describe what I'm doing in English. It trains your brain to think in English.
Tip 2, record yourself. I know it feels weird at first, but hearing your voice helps you improve pronunciation and fluency.
And number 3, speak with people, not to impress them, but to express yourself. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Focus on being understood.
That's a good one. Confidence comes when you stop trying to sound perfect and start enjoying the conversation.
Let's do a quick example. Imagine you're shy and someone asks, "Can you tell me about your job?"
I am working in office.
That's okay, but if you stay calm and breathe,
Sure, I work in an office. I help customers and manage files.
much better. Same person, just more relaxed. Confidence changes everything.
So remember, confidence isn't about never making mistakes. It's about speaking anyway.
Yes, every sentence you say makes you braver. Keep talking, keep learning, and your English will shine.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit subscribe, like, and share it with a friend who needs a little confidence boost.
Thanks for listening to Mr. English Masterclass. See you in the next episode.